Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Expo builds from a no-code mobile project, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your no-code mobile project dashboard. Locate the project that contains the Expo builds you wish to uninstall. Click on the project to access its settings. In the settings menu, find the section labeled builds or deployments. Review the list of available Expo builds. Identify the specific build you want to uninstall. Next to the build, look for an option to remove or delete. Click on the Remove or Delete option. A confirmation dialog may appear. Confirm that you wish to proceed with the uninstallation. After confirmation, the build will begin the uninstall process. Wait for the process to complete. Once the build is uninstalled, refresh the page. Check the build list to ensure the specific Expo build has been removed. If necessary, repeat the process for any additional builds. Now, review your project to ensure everything functions as expected. If there are integrations related to the uninstalled build, update or remove them. With the unnecessary builds removed, your project is now cleaner and more efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.